I didn't come to fool ya. And even though it's all went wrong, I stand before the Lord of Song, and nothing on my thought. Hallelujah, 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 Thank you so much. Hallelujah, that was Leonard Cohen's song. Alright, time for a few more songs. I think it's time to travel a bit, because that was one of the beautiful things about music. You can travel far without moving. So let's fly to the moon. Fly me to the moon and let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hands. In other words, darling, kiss me. Feel our heartbeat song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Thank you. Fly me to the moon and let me sing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter or Mars. In other words, hold my hands. In other words, darling, kiss me. Feel my heartbeat song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, I love you. Thank you so much. Alright, let's back to Earth.